Today on Do It Yourself Ken, we're going to be working on a 2003 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. So the problem that we're having is that one of our rear view mirrors isn't working properly. So when we try to use our driver's side mirror, everything works fine. But when we try to use our passenger side rear view mirror, when we press up, it works. When we press down, it works. When we press left, it doesn't work. And when we press right, it doesn't work. So our rear view mirror on the passenger side isn't working properly. So to remove the rear view mirror, you're going to need to remove your door panel first. You could click the link below for the video on how to do that. One quick tip, if you're working by yourself, before you remove your door panel, is to roll the window down. This way it makes it easier for you to hold the mirror when you take it out. So to replace the rear view mirror, you're going to need a ratchet with a 10mm socket and your new rear view mirror. So first you're going to remove the two bottom nuts using your 10mm socket. So the next step is to remove this top nut. As you loosen it up, you want to just hold on to the mirror so it doesn't fall. Yeah, so you could just hold on to it from the wire if you want, after you loosen it. Then you're just gonna let it hang a bit. Next step is to take this cushion out. What you do is you kind of want to squeeze in and then push out. It could be a little difficult, so you could use your ratchet to help you get it out. So kind of squeeze in. And that's how you take the cushion out. So your new rearview mirror comes with these covers here. You just for the screws. Just want to take them off. So now with your new rearview mirror, you're gonna feed your wire through. Hold on to it on the other side. You want to place this cushion in place, and then using your ratchet, you just want to push it in. So now with the cushion in place, you could put the mirror in. You place the top nut in to hold it in place. Now you want to finish tightening your nut in. Now you want to put in the bottom nuts. Once you have them in place, you just want to tighten them up. The next step would be to reinstall your rear view mirror into your door panel and reinstall the door panel itself. So with our new rear view mirror installed, it goes up, it goes down, it goes left, and it goes right. So that's how you replace your rear view mirror on a 2003 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. Hope you found this video helpful. Save time and stress working on this car by subscribing to the channel or clicking the playlist link below. Take care.